What's the funniest way you've ever felt bad for someone? Some kid in my class was begging me to help him cheat on a test. Now, I'm not morally against cheating, but this dude had the worst plan imaginable. He sat halfway across the room. The only way I could give him answers was if I yelled them out loud. And at that point, the entire class would be cheating with us. I looked at him like he had just suggested we rob a bank with a water gun. Dude, we're gonna get caught in, like, 5 seconds. Instead of understanding this basic reality, he got mad at me. Wow, so you're just not gonna help me? Guess you hate me. Oh, my bad. I forgot I signed a lifelong contract to ruin my GPA for you. I ignored him, took my test, then went to the bathroom. When I came back, my pen was gone. I looked around, confused, until I saw him, holding my pen. This man had actually walked across the room, stolen my pen, and thought that was his grand revenge. I was about to call him out when I heard it. Laughter. I turned my head, and saw blue ink absolutely covering his white shirt. My pen had exploded. It was everywhere. His arms, his hands, his desk. He looked like he had just gotten into a fist fight with an octopus. Even the teacher was laughing. I wanted to feel bad, but the longer I looked at him, the harder it got to breathe. He was sitting there, staring at his hands like he had just discovered he had superpowers. He tried to act cool, but it's hard to be intimidating when you look like a human ink sac. Then, just when I thought it couldn't get any better, he slowly turned to me, dead serious, and yelled, "This is your fault." I lost it. I was crying with laughter, gasping for air. I never got my pen back, but he never stole from me again.